Hello, so today we're going to make a password manager in Python. So the first thing we're going to do is first of all import our libraries. You're going to need JSON for the saving and loading of our password files, the string library for creating random password seeds, the random library for creating the random password seeds as well, the library for encrypting the passwords, the OS library for file management. So we're gonna create a loop, and in this loop we're going to have two options: loading or saving. We're simply going to ask the user to enter one. We're gonna create passwords object which will save all the passwords that will be generated. So just checking if the option is first one, then we're going to load the password with the JSON file manager. So just gonna open password JSON file, and after that we're going to loop through all the items and print the site name and the password respectively. Next, we are going to check if the option is the second one. Then we're going to create a passwords object again. We're going to check if the passwords JSON file exists, which it doesn't currently, but we're gonna open the passwords JSON file and uh, load the all the JSON data from there. Then we're going to ask the user to enter the site name. So this will basically allow them to store their passwords. Then we're going to set the seed length to 64, and then we're going to set the password seed, which we basically are creating a random string of 64 characters with letters and digits. And then after that we're going to encode it with the SHA-512 algorithm. So encoding the seed, and then we're going to get our hex digest, and we're gonna take the first 16 characters because that would be a good length for a password. We're going to set the site, the name of the site as and the dictionary as the password. Then we're going to open the JSON file again. We're going to dump the passwords, and as a last step we're gonna print Oriel. So that's it. So let's go and test to see if this runs. So let's open up a terminal and run the Python code. So let's say we wanna save, and as you can see the password JSON file was created, either our site name. Gonna try again. As you can see, it's instantaneously added. Wanna load them. As you can see that it shows clearly our passwords if we want to use them. So it's very simple. So just use the JSON module, the string module, random hashlib, and OS module. So as you can see, we use the JSON module for loading the JSON files, the OS module for file detection, the random for getting a random string. As you can see, we also use the string module to decide like or what randomness. So ASCII letters is all of the ASCII letters, digits is all the digits, and K is just basically how long do you want this to be. And because this will be in an array form, we use the join function to join it. We go to password. Now in the hashlib function, it's la library SHA-512 algorithm, and you're gonna get the seed. Now we must encode the seed before we encrypt it, and then we're going to put it through a hex digest. So it's gonna come out as a binary buffer option, but it's gonna make it into a hex digest. The first 16 characters, and then we go and set this. So you're gonna set the site name to the password, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified for the next video. Bye.